November may seem like the end of the season, but right now is the beginning of the smartest time to plant. The cold slows down growth, but it doesn't stop it. And the soil retains enough heat to allow perfect germination. That's why there are 20 of the most productive crops that you must plant in November before it is too late, because they will provide the earliest, most abundant spring harvest. These are plants that love the cold, overwinter without problems, and start strong as soon as the first warm day arrives. 1. Garlic, the king of November planting, produces huge heads in the spring. 2. Black onions from the port, starts as soon as the weather warms up and brings an early harvest. 3. Koszyk, Schwabringic onions, frost-resistant, extremely productive. 4. Chives, overwinters without any shelter. 5. Spinach, planted now, grows all winter. 6. Swiss chard, overwinters at -10°C. Strong spring growth. 7. Lettuce winter varieties, best results right now. 8. Swiss chard, one of the most cold-resistant plants. 9. Arugula, sprouts quickly and survives snow. 10. Kale, the colder it is, the tastier it is. 11. Swiss chard, grows even when most vegetables are sleeping. 12. Cabbage early varieties. November sowing gives the strongest seedlings. 13. Broccoli, overwinters well and gives an early spring head. 14. Radishes, tolerate autumn cold, develop quickly. 15. Carrots winter sowing, germinate in spring and give a strong yield. 16. Parsley germinates slowly, so November is ideal. 17. Parsnip, cold improves germination and taste. 18. Bob super resistant, starts to grow as soon as the temperature rises. 19. Peas, planting in November gives the earliest crop of the year. 20. Winter pea, colorful pea, tolerates frost and wind exceptionally well. These crops use winter as a period of rest and root strengthening. Pests are then inactive, diseases are rare, and the humidity is optimal as soon as March brings the first warmer days. Your plants explode with growth, while many others are just preparing to sow. You are already harvesting. If you want a head start on the season, a rich spring table and a garden that works even when everything else is at rest, November is the key. Plant now, because you simply cannot get these results later.